Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove page border word. Open your Word document to see the page border. Now you are going to open the design menu, and there you will click on page borders. Here, select the None option. When you click OK, you will see that the page border has been removed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.